What is good, YouTube? Mac Trade with a new video. Now this story is about how trading led me into the boxing ring. So before I post my content on the YouTube, I actually post it on X and even more. So first things first, hit that subscribe button and follow me on X. Now before we get into the fight, let me tell you a little bit about how I got here. At the end of 2022 when I graduated, I started trading. And I needed something that helped me stay disciplined and consistent that was a little bit more rewarding than the gym. So I found boxing. So in 2023, I actually had my first fight where I unfortunately took my first L. But I was able to hop right back in the ring where I was able to fight this year. Trading in these last 2 years, I actually learned a lot and it has translated to my trading. For instance, boxing has and is teaching me sacrifice and work. Got my fight date beginning of summer. All summer I can't do anything crazy and I'm in the gym. Days off, I'm always thinking, what is my opponent doing right now? And I need to do extra road work in all conditions. Is he working? I've been in the same journey with trading. Some nights I couldn't come out. Some nights, I had to put away the vices, put away the females, and just really lock in. Trading is really a player v player type of field. So some nights I had to think, what are you guys doing that I'm not doing and neglecting? Also, a very big one, boxing and trading. In sparring, I was always having trouble hesitating. Following day carried to trading where I would hesitate to enter my trading. This week goal was to just go. Didn't work in trading, however, was my best night sparring in a while. Now to adjust on the charts. The following week, when the opportunity arose in the charts, I know I just needed to take it and trust the probabilities, I took it. I wrote that tweet back in 2023, it's never been a problem since. Last thing before we get into the fight. Boxing isn't for the weak, which is exactly why I joined. After being in the ring, it truly takes a different type of being to get in the ring and be okay with getting hit in the head. Trading is the same thing. To wake up every morning and take losses for years and then keep going knowing you're going to make it, it's like getting hit in the head but still wanting to keep going. Overall, I'm a better trader because of boxing. Not even touch the surface. I didn't even talk about camp week. I gotta make sure I'm sleeping good, eating good, making sure I'm waking up nice and early, going on walks, just being real mindful. Which actually resulted in my best month trading and boxing. I highly recommend finding a combat sport if you're a trader. Now let's roll into this clip.
Round 1.
Back it up. Yeah, well. Yeah, well. I like that one. Yeah, well.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around more, get ready, pack the go, yeah. People probably think I show up, ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turn any given time. Personal poppers still a talking, cause I got this without. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it too used to be, that shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, so she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, all the time I get some Z's. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 foot down on another Lambo. Don't mean the mix, I built this shit forever. Have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money. This ain't no fucking play though. Wrote it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like to drive, but he spin good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we in a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, cause taught me that way back. When I took it off, I was always talking, I'm saying, oh, where you stay at? Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you walk in the problem, they say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I'll pay that. Get this shit my house, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really trying to bottom, so the trenches is go out to the safe back. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. I wanna get money when I take